In this video, we will talk about triangular numbers. So these are numbers that, if you use little tiny dots, you can visualize the numbers as equilateral triangles. So let's see what we mean. The first triangular number, if we say n is 1, is simply the number 1. The second triangular number can be found by adding 1 plus 2, which is 3. The third triangular number is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. The fourth triangular number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which turns out to be 10. And if we use little dots, we can visualize these values as triangles. So 1 dot, we would draw like this. 3 dots, we could draw as 1, and the next row will have 2. And notice that this forms a triangle. 6 dots could be visualized like this. 1, the next row has 2, and the next row has 3. And again, we get a triangle. And 10 can also be visualized as a triangle. So 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And we'll notice that this is also a triangle. So this is why we give it the name triangular numbers. So it turns out the formula to find the nth triangular number is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So for example, if we wanted to find the fourth triangular number, we just plug in a 4 into this formula. So that would be 4 times 4 plus 1 divided by 2. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 times 4, that's 20, and 20 divided by 2 is 10, which is indeed the fourth triangular number. Now, we can also use this formula to find any triangular number. So let's say we want to find the fifth triangular number. What would that be? Well, we just plug in a 5 into this formula. So we get 5 times 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 times 5, that's 30. And 30 divided by 2 is 15. So the fifth triangular number would be 15. And if we were to use little tiny dots to visualize 15, we will see that we can make another triangle using 15 dots. So it's another triangular number. So we can also use this formula to find any number that we'd like. So let's say we want to find the 20th triangular number. How could we do that? Well, we just plug in a 20 to the formula. So 20 times 20 plus 1 divided by 2. So 20 plus 1, that's 21. 21 times 20, that turns out to be 420. And when we divide that by 2, we get 210. So if we continue this sequence all the way to 20, we see that the 20th triangular number would be 210. And if we were to use little dots, which I'm not going to draw 210 little dots, but we would find that it could also form a perfect triangle. So this is the formula that you can use to find the nth triangular number.